Welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and color alphabets S, T, U. Are you ready? Now let's start drawing together. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Pink color, light blue color, light green color, dark green color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, brown color, red color, black color. Amazing kids! Now let's start drawing together. First we will draw capital S. Draw capital S. Draw a small curved line like a half of a circle. Now curve the line to the right and go down a little. Make another curve to the right, to the left, like a backwards curve, and break it down. Finish with a smooth bottom curve. This is our capital S. Kids, this is our capital S. Now let's draw capital T. First draw horizontal line on top. Then draw vertical line down. This is our capital T. Kids, this is our capital T. Now let's draw capital U. First we will draw vertical line going down on the left side. At the bottom of that line, make a smooth curve going to the right. Now draw a straight vertical line upward. This is our capital U. Kids, this is our capital U. Amazing kids! Our alphabet drawing S, T, U. Drawing is complete. Now let's start coloring. Kids, our capital S is light blue. This is capital S. Capital S is light blue. Amazing kids! Our capital T is yellow. Kids, this is capital T. Capital T is yellow. Kids, our capital U is black. This is capital U. Amazing, kids. S T U. Our alphabet drawing is complete. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next fun drawing. Keep drawing, keep learning, keep smiling.